Hey everyone, Kyle Sulerud here, and I want to make this video to show you some concepts related to Google AdWords and how making just a couple changes in most any campaign can result in a pretty significant impact on how well the campaign is performing. So let's start with your ad. So if you're using Google AdWords, you're going to have an ad that people see and click on. And after they click on that ad, that's going to take them to your website, right? All right, so there's your website. You're selling a product on here, and people are buying it. Okay? So let's take a look at how the ads work here. For starters, your ad isn't going to be the only one there. So if someone does a Google search, they're going to see other people's ads also. So here's a competitor's ad, and here's a competitor's ad. So there's your ad there, second ad on the page. So over here, what I'm going to show are the people who are going to click on one of these ads. So they could be someone who clicks on your ad, and they could click on a competitor's ad. Each circle here is going to represent one person who's going to click on an ad. So those are the people out of the keywords you're targeting who are going to click on any ad. And there's 100 people there. So this isn't the people who see your ad, that would be the impressions. There might be 1,000 people who see one of these ads, but 100 of them are going to click on an ad. So let's say with your ad being in the middle, you're probably going to have 30 people clicking on your ad. So all these people here, these people are clicking on your ad. Now, out of all the 100 people here, obviously not all of them are going to be ready to buy. No matter whose ad they click on, only a percentage of them are actually going to become buyers. So let's say 10% of these people are actually going to become buyers. And I'm actually going to change this up a little bit to show you all the people that are actually going to buy. Okay. So those 10 people are buyers. So you see out of the 30 clicks we got, we have 3 people who bought our product. All right, so we have 3 buyers. Let's also say our clicks are costing us $1 per click. So we spent $30 to get 30 clicks. And each of these buyers here is going to net us $20 profit per purchase. So that's before we figure out the advertising cost. If we figure in all of our other expenses, it's going to be a $20 profit margin before calculating any advertising expense. So $20 profit per sale. We have 3 sales here, so that's $60 profit. We spent $30 for that traffic. Our profit after we figure out our advertising expense is $30. Okay, not too bad. So we're putting $30 in, we're getting $60 back, and we're profiting $30. So the first thing we can do with almost any AdWords campaign is actually get rid of some of this traffic over here. We can use negative keywords and other filtering techniques to get rid of some of the irrelevant traffic. So now instead of 100 people seeing our ad, we'll get rid of this. So now only 80 people are seeing our ad. We're getting the same share of traffic here. So now we have 24 people who clicked on our ad. But look what happened. We still have the 3 buyers. So the 6 people we eliminated wouldn't have bought anything from us anyway. So we've maintained our $60 profit here. And now for 24 clicks, we're spending $24. So our final profit on that is $36. All right, we just increased our profit 20% just by filtering out 20% of the bad traffic that wouldn't have bought in the first place. So now let's look at what we can do next. Now that we know our profits are better, we're making more profit per customer. What we can do is actually increase our bid and get more traffic to our ads and more customers. So let's say, instead of spending $1 per click, we're going to spend $1.25 per click. And what that does, it actually puts us into the top position here. So now we have the top ad. So that's our ad on top. And because of that, more people are clicking on our ad. So instead of 24 people clicking on the ad, now we have 40 people clicking on our ad. So $1.25 per click, 40 clicks. It's going to be $50. So we're spending more money, but we're getting more traffic. So notice out of these 40 clicks now, we have 5 buyers included. Okay, so we have 2 extra buyers here. So instead of $60, now we're making $100 here. So when you subtract our $50 ad spend, we're left with $50 profit. All right, so now we're making a lot more profit. We're generating more clicks to our ad. We're getting more sales, and we're paying for less irrelevant traffic. This is just with a couple changes. There's obviously a lot of different things going on in AdWords, a lot of different changes that you can make to improve your campaign. If you are looking for help with your campaign, I invite you to click the link in the description or visit my website, adlag.com. We offer full campaign management plans, and I hope that I can help you out just like I helped out the person in this whiteboard example.